You know, I'm shooting this photograph because that's my mom and my daddy, and I think that's a really nice picture of them. I love them. Daddy's gone, Mama's still here. I am here in Selden, New York. I came to visit my kids. My youngest son was 22 yesterday. Thanking God I get an opportunity to be here with him. And I'm spending a little time with my grandson, who is Nair Andrew Jones. And he just loves to talk. He just turned 3 months last weekend. Say hi. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Say how you doing. Yeah. Say I like to talk. Well, I think he's really hungry, so I think I'm going to have to feed him, so he'll be a little happier. This is my oldest brother, Andrew, and he's been a support for me throughout this whole thing. Andrew, say hi.
Hey. Hi.
He's the oldest of us all, so he's like the father.
Not.
Yes, he is. He was like the father. Look at my stinker man. Hi. Hi, isn't he cute? He's just so cute. I'm so blessed to turn 50 and have my 3-month-old grandson. And this is my daughter-in-law, Neffy. Say hi, Neffy. She's so pretty. Everybody say she's so pretty. Nair, turn him around. Hi, Nair. Say hi. Say hi, G-Ma. Hi, Q. That's how he speaks baby talk. That's his baby talk for hi, G-Ma, when he sneezes. Hey, I can hold it right there. Are we keeping you up from your nap? I think so. He just makes my day, I gotta tell you. Too bad they live so far away from me. But that's okay.